Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineering YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. In today's lecture, we are interested to find out the percentage of slope for a road surface. So slope shows basically the steepness of any road surface or any profile. So here, for example, is in a road and there is a vehicle, any car or any truck is moving on this road. So the slope shows, for example, this road is a slope of 10%. So it means that it shows that how much it is steep is compared to its horizontal surface. For example, if this is a horizontal surface, this is a horizontal surface, so it shows that how much it is steep is compared to the horizontal reference surface. So slope shows the steepness of the road or any profile surface. So here we take an example here that this is in a road and we want to find out the slope of this road in percentage, and the horizontal measurement of this road is 10 meter and its vertical is 500 millimeter. So how to find out the percentage of slope? So percentage of slope is equal to the rise divided by run multiplying it with the 100%. So now rise we know that it is a vertical. Here this is rise 1 and this is run, which is horizontal. So rise is 500 millimeter. Now run is in meter, so we have to convert this into millimeter as well in order to have the same unit. So we will multiply it with 1000, so we got 10,000 millimeter. So now in order to have the same units, now we can find out the percentage of slope. So rise divided by run, rise is 500 millimeter divided by run, which is 10,000 millimeter. Both is the same units, so now we can cancel these units multiplying it with the 100%. So we got here of 0.05 multiplying it with 100%, so we got here 5%. So the road, this road surface has a slope of how much? Is a slope of 5%. So this is the way how to calculate or find out the percentage of slope for any road surface if you're given with the run and if you're given with the rise. So hope you guys understand, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. Thank you for watching our video.